Data modes, built-in data modes. We've got the RTTY up on the screen, and really this is less about a data mode than it is about the keyboard, which is why I've got my big dirty keyboard front and center. My favorite part about this keyboard, there's a reason why this keyboard is dirty. Let's see if this is going to work on the camera or not. You see that space bar? See that hole that's worn in the space bar? I'm actually trying to make it all the way through the spacebar before this keyboard dies. I don't know if it's going to be possible or not. At any rate, this is a Logitech keyboard. It is made for a Macintosh system. That should not make any difference. I have the matching Logitech mouse that goes with it, and I have the Logitech transceiver plugged into a USB-B to USB-C adapter. I'm going to plug it into the host port on the side, and we should instantly see a mouse pointer pop up on the screen of the radio, and you can see it right there. There's a mouse pointer there. And I've got this thing decoding, RTTY, RTTY. And there currently aren't any signals, but I can do like some of the things you'd expect with a text box and with a mouse. I can click the to button. I can click clear. That clears the screen. I can come back up in here. I can't type anything, and I can't do any kind of transmitting. Let's get out of the modem section. Let's see if we can do this with just the mouse. I hit exit. There's nothing I can do there. I can do an SWR scan. Okay. That's great. Let's go back to general. I have to stop using the mouse, but these buttons exist over here on the side, so I guess that's kind of normal. What else could we possibly do with a keyboard? This is 5313 now, which is the 6 meter. I don't even know how we got into 6 meter. Were we in 6 meter in the beginning? I thought we were on 40. Anyway, I'm going to click on the first channel 1. I'm going to click on save VFO. I'm going to click on tag. It's going to pop up a keyboard. This is a memory setting. Okay, great. That works. Enter. Enter, escape, nothing, space works fine. So I got to move over to the mouse, and I got to hit this X button to save it, and it didn't save. Let me try that again. This is a memory setting. Enter. Oh, I had to hit enter first. All right, let's erase it, and let's try it again. Tag it. This is a memory setting. Enter. Yeah, so the enter key doesn't do anything. I have to hit enter with the mouse to save it, and then exit back out with the exit key, and then exit back out. So now we go into memory edit, and there we are. It's still there. We can erase it. Great. What else can we do? System setting. Let's check the time. Time is 2021, 12:05, hours 4, minute is 5. Nope. I just set this clock, and this I can't double click, I can't type, I can't enter, I can't up arrow, down arrow. The clock in this is not staying accurate. So I have to hit, what is it? I have to hit the multifunction knob to go in, and then I still can't type. So I need to wheel the multifunction knob around. It's now 4:06. And I hit OK. Oh, look at this. Pool settings for NTP. This would be great if I could get into Wi-Fi settings, but there are no Wi-Fi settings. Somebody asked me real quick if I could magically press these buttons. I can press these buttons, and there aren't any hidden menus hidden behind them. And this exit button, don't do squat. So let's go around the horn and do it with the multifunction button. Push, 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 push. The only way to push these is with the keys below. Oh, they turn green. All right, let's exit out of there. All right, we've exited out of there. Radio settings. Okay, so the arrow keys work to move me around the radio settings menu. Let's change the... Nope, oh, the mouse wheel wheels me around too. But once I click it, the mouse wheel doesn't do anything. Can I change the VFO? And we're back into 20 meters. Can I change the VFO with this? I cannot change the VFO. Let's exit the menu. Maybe it's because I'm stuck in the menu that I can't do it. Nope. Can I point to a part on the waterfall on the spectrum? Nope. Can I move around? Nope. I can't do anything. Can I change the power? Can I change the volume? Oh, I can change the power. Okay. All right, I think I see what's happening here. Okay, so the wheel, the mouse wheel, is the multifunction dial, but nothing else. And that's why that works, because that's also the multifunction dial. Okay, radio setting 2. Nothing in there. Display setting. Nothing in there. I do like the display. The display is absolutely fantastic. I just don't know what I would like. What's the point of the keyboard or the mouse? Maybe they're waiting for me to make videos so they can do firmware updates so they can make everybody happy with the things that are missing. There's been a lot of feedback that I'm their beta tester. At this point, I'm probably their Charlie tester because beta testing should have happened, you'd think. Either way, there is a video right over there that I think you'll like. Thanks for being awesome.